Hey everyone, today we are in Milan, Italy, and we are at the 5-star Excelsior Hotel Gallia in Milan. This was part of the luxury collection of the Marriott hotel chain, Marriott Bonvoy, and this was a really fabulous hotel. So start in the bathroom. It had like a little shower bathing room with there was a hand shower thing, but there was also up on the ceiling there was a shower head, double sinks, hello, and really nice products. Oh, these smell so good. I did take some home because they really smell wonderful. Really high quality products in there. So you got the bidet, the toilet. This is how they present toilets when they're clean, like that. And so over to the closet. Let's take a look in the closet. There was a little set of drawers for storage. The top one was the safe. And then this one had the laundry bag. There was also another laundry bag hanging up, a shoehorn and a lint brush. And the bottom one was just empty. There was one robe hanging in the bathroom and then another robe right here hanging in the closet with the luggage stand. You will not find an iron in hotel rooms in Italy. They don't do that. So if you need something ironed, you have to call down to the desk. I call housekeeping for laundry service. So this is a king size bed. Very comfortable. You don't see king-size beds a whole lot in Europe, so it was really nice to have a king-size bed. The room was very modern, even though the outside of the hotel was super traditional and old-style building. Here's the mini bar and a tea kettle up in the top, and then in the drawers that was an empty drawer, but in the top drawer there was, along with the mini bar, was some chips, some candy, nuts, and there was a little bottle of wine. They did have some coffee, some Nespressos that were complimentary, and just empty drawers for more storage. Really nice hotel. And there's your little Nespresso machine. Yeah, and of course, in Italy, you have to bring your converter. If you're from the States, did have some USBs right there. And yeah, I think somewhere in this room they also had a regular outlet. But for the most part, you have the special. So they gave us this kind of bottled water every day. And when I put these in the fridge, they stayed cold all day. So that was like better. So there were some slippers for use on each side of the bed. Let's go over to the other side of the bed. And this room did have air conditioning. We were here in October. Oh, and this was a little treat. It was like a little thing of different types of lotions, which my husband really liked that because he gets really dry skin. No more outlets and USBs. And yeah, just a storage drawer. And there were reading lights next to the bed. What was funny was you could crack open the window. So I'll show you right here. You could open it to pull really hard and then open it. But it only opened about 6 inches. And there was a glass partition there. I guess so you couldn't fall out. It's kind of like a balcony, but it was only like 6 inches deep. So that was kind of funny, but I guess that was so you could open the window and get some fresh air in. I'm just trying to shut it on my own. right there. If you like this video, please comment, please like and subscribe to my channel, and you can buy me a coffee. Thanks.